Okay, I have created this game and we have learned how to add levels in this game. So if anyone is interested in making this game, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. I have shared my codings. Okay, and it's very easy to do, right? So there will be 10 levels in total. As you can see, the levels are going very fast, and if you play it, remember to not touch the yellow apple. It's the one that takes our life. Okay, there are 5 lives. Oh my gosh, almost there. Okay, almost there. No, 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 don't ignore the apple. Yes. Oh no, I have not ignored the apple. No. Okay, I will not lose hope. I have still 4 lives and I'm in level 9. I can do this. Okay, come on. Okay. No, 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 no. I have lost 2